When it comes to window replacement in Metairie, homeowners face an important decision: selecting the right materials for their new windows. Not only do the materials impact the appearance of your home, but they also influence energy efficiency, maintenance requirements, and the overall durability of your windows. Understanding the different options available and considering the unique needs of your home can help you make an informed decision that enhances both the value and comfort of your property. Vinyl windows. Low maintenance and energy efficient vinyl windows are one of the most popular choices for homeowners in Metairie due to their low maintenance and energy efficient qualities. Made from a durable synthetic material, vinyl windows are resistant to rotting, warping, and fading, making them a reliable option for the humid Louisiana climate. They also offer excellent insulation, which can help keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, reducing energy costs. One of the key advantages of vinyl windows is their ease of care. Unlike wood, vinyl doesn't require painting or sealing, and cleaning is as simple as wiping them down with a damp cloth. Additionally, vinyl windows come in a variety of styles and colors to complement your home's aesthetic, offering flexibility without sacrificing durability. Wood windows. Timeless elegance with a classic look. For homeowners seeking a more traditional or elegant aesthetic, wood windows are a timeless choice. Wood has natural insulating properties, which can help maintain indoor comfort. Additionally, wood windows can be customized with a variety of finishes and stains, allowing them to blend seamlessly with the interior decor of your home. However, wood windows do require more maintenance than vinyl or fiberglass options. Over time, they need to be painted or stained to protect them from the elements. In Metairie's humid climate, wood windows can be susceptible to rot if not properly cared for, so regular maintenance is essential. If you love the classic look of wood and are willing to put in the effort to maintain it, this material can provide a beautiful and long-lasting addition to your home. Fiberglass windows. Durability and energy efficiency. Fiberglass windows offer the best of both worlds. They combine the appearance of wood with the durability and low maintenance of vinyl. Made from a reinforced fiberglass composite, these windows are incredibly strong and resistant to warping, cracking, or fading. Fiberglass windows are ideal for the hot, humid conditions of Metairie, as they won't swell or rot in the presence of moisture. One of the standout benefits of fiberglass windows is their energy efficiency. The material provides excellent insulation, helping to keep your home comfortable year-round. Additionally, fiberglass windows are often available in a range of styles and colors, allowing homeowners to achieve the aesthetic they desire without compromising on performance. Although fiberglass windows tend to come at a higher initial cost than vinyl, their longevity and superior insulating properties make them a worthwhile investment in the long run. For homeowners looking for both durability and efficiency, fiberglass is a strong contender. Aluminum windows. Sleek and modern, but less insulating. Aluminum windows are known for their sleek, modern look and are often chosen for contemporary homes. They are lightweight, strong, and resistant to the elements, making them a popular choice for commercial buildings as well as homes. However, aluminum is not as energy efficient as other materials because it conducts heat and cold more readily, potentially leading to higher energy bills. To address this issue, some aluminum windows come with a thermal break, a barrier that improves insulation. However, even with these upgrades, aluminum windows generally fall short when it comes to energy efficiency compared to vinyl or fiberglass. If energy savings are a top priority for you, aluminum windows may not be the best choice, but they can still be a viable option if you're looking for a modern aesthetic and don't mind sacrificing some insulation. Composite windows. The best of both worlds. Composite windows are made from a blend of wood fibers and synthetic materials, combining the beauty of wood with the durability and low-maintenance characteristics of other materials. They are resistant to rot, warping, and fading, making them an excellent choice for homeowners in Metarie's humid climate. Composite windows are energy efficient, provide excellent sound insulation, and require minimal maintenance. However, they are generally more expensive than vinyl or aluminum windows, which may be a factor to consider when making your decision. For homeowners seeking a balance of beauty, performance, and longevity, composite windows are an excellent choice. Conclusion. Choosing the right materials for window replacement in Metairie ultimately depends on your priorities. If you're looking for low maintenance and energy efficiency, vinyl windows are a great option. For a more traditional look, wood windows provide timeless charm, while fiberglass windows offer durability and superior energy performance. Aluminum windows provide a sleek modern look but may fall short in insulation, and composite windows offer a combination of both beauty and functionality. Consider the specific needs of your home, including climate, energy efficiency, and maintenance preferences, when selecting the material that's right for you. Whatever your choice, investing in quality windows will enhance the comfort, style, and value of your home for years to come.